Offering free shipping can be a powerful marketing strategy to attract and retain customers, but it can also be costly if not managed properly. Here are some strategies to help you offer free shipping without incurring a loss, leveraging easyship's robust shipping solutions to empower you to make informed decisions. 1. Increase prices strategically. One way to offset the cost of free shipping is to increase the prices of your products slightly. This approach works best if you have a competitive pricing strategy in place. Calculate the average shipping cost per order using easyship's real-time rate comparison tool. For instance, if you ship 100 orders in a month and the total shipping cost is $500, the average shipping cost per order would be $5. Factor this into your pricing. However, be cautious not to overprice your products, as this could negatively impact sales. 2. Set a minimum order value. Implementing a minimum order value for free shipping encourages customers to purchase more items, increasing the average order value. This strategy helps to offset the shipping costs and can also lead to higher sales. For example, you could offer free shipping on orders over $50. easyship's automation features allow you to set up custom shipping rules, making it easy to implement this strategy. 3. Use flat rate shipping. Instead of offering free shipping on all orders, consider implementing a flat rate shipping model. This approach streamlines the shipping process, allowing you to factor the cost into your pricing easily. For instance, you could charge a flat rate of $5 for all orders under $50. easyship's rate comparison tool helps you find the best flat rate for your business. 4. Free shipping on specific products. Offer free shipping on specific products or product categories that have higher profit margins. This strategy allows you to target products that can absorb the shipping cost without significantly impacting your bottom line. easyship's customizable shipping options make it easy to set up free shipping for specific products. 5. Partner with suppliers. Negotiate with your suppliers to see if they can offer discounted shipping rates or absorb some of the shipping costs. This can be especially beneficial if you have a high volume of orders. easyship's carrier network and rate comparison tool can help you find the best deals. 6. Optimize your shipping process. Streamline your shipping process to reduce costs. Consider utilizing regional shipping hubs, optimizing your packaging, and negotiating with carriers for more favorable rates. easyship's automation features and integrations with multiple carriers make it easy to optimize your shipping process. 7. Use free shipping as a promotion. Use free shipping as a limited-time promotion to drive sales during slow periods or to clear inventory. This approach creates a sense of urgency and can help increase revenue without committing to long-term free shipping costs. With easyship's automation features, you can easily set up promotional shipping rules. For example, you can specify a date range for the promotion or apply it to specific products. This flexibility allows you to tailor your promotions to your business's needs. 8. Calculate the true cost of shipping. Accurately calculate the actual cost of shipping, including packaging, labor, and carrier fees. easyship's real-time rate comparison tool and detailed analytics help you make informed decisions about your pricing and shipping strategies. 9. Consider a subscription model. Implement a subscription model that includes free shipping as a benefit. This approach can increase customer loyalty and provide a steady revenue stream. easyship's customizable shipping options and automation features make it easy to set up subscription-based shipping. 10. Monitor and adjust. Continuously monitor your shipping costs and adjust your strategies as needed. easyship's detailed analytics and reporting features help you identify areas where you can optimize your shipping process and pricing, ensuring you're not losing money. By implementing these strategies with easyship, you can offer free shipping to your customers without negatively impacting your bottom line. Remember, these strategies are flexible and can be adjusted based on your business's unique needs and market conditions, giving you complete control over your shipping strategies. Offering free shipping can be a valuable marketing tool, but it's crucial to do so in a way that doesn't harm your business. By strategically increasing prices, setting minimum order values, utilizing flat rate shipping, and optimizing your shipping process with easyship, you can offer this benefit to your customers while maintaining profitability. Are you ready to start optimizing your shipping process and offer free shipping without incurring a loss? Click the link in the description to download and try easyship for free. If you like this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on the latest e-commerce tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the following video.